Hey, I'm here with Braden May. Braden,
Hey.
glad that you were able to jump on here with me tonight. I just wanted to. We haven't had a lot of time over the last several weeks. You know, I feel a little cheated that I haven't been with my seniors, especially all my students, but especially my seniors. You've been with me for four
Yeah.
years, and just
hmm
wanted to touch base with you online because that's the only way we can do it right now. Uh, I call you Mr. Clutch.
Yeah.
Last year you hit, I think it was at least two 3 pointers at the end of the game to win the game, right?
One one was a layup and the other one was a three.
Yeah. Okay.
Or it's a
Well,
layup and a three.
that's why I call you Mr. Clutch. So I don't know if anybody else does or not, but I do. It's as soon as you hit that first one, I knew that was going to be your nickname in my class. But I just wanted to just touch base and ask you some questions tonight, and just to get a feel for where you're going and what you're going to be doing. So, what would you tell me would be your favorite memory during your 4 years at Mason County High School?
Shoot. It's hard to name one because it's been 4 years, but uh, one of them being those two shots because like you dream about doing that when you're little. You like reenact those in the driveway when you're younger, and to actually be able to do that, it's something I'll have with me forever. And then another one's this December. I got to go to Disney World with the choir, and even though I did miss one game of basketball, it had a great time there too.
So
So
you've
I
been able
think
to
those two
just
were probably the biggest.
yeah, that's cool. I mean, you've got to do a lot of good things at the school, and I know it's for me to ask you that kind of a question. What's been your top memory? I know that's a loaded question, and that's kind of hard
Yeah.
to ask. But based on your, let me
hmm
ask you this, and this is for thinking about freshmen coming in. Based on your high school experience, what would you say to incoming freshmen that would maybe help them succeed in their 4 years at the high school?
I think the best advice I could give is to like you don't really have to know what you're gonna do yet because like that's a big thing. But like kind of have an idea and surround yourself like in taking those classes and stuff. Like I know I wanted to do something engineering, I just didn't know what field. So like I got an engineering pathway, and then another thing is like having good relationships with teachers because they can help you out a lot.
Well, I can definitely tell you, I've watched you grown into the person you are now for over the last 4 years, and I've always felt like we've had a good relationship, and I certainly appreciate everything
Yeah,
that you've done in my classes. You've become a leader in our engineering
thank you.
classes. You stand out and you help others. Of course, your grades are always
Thank you.
top notch. You get things done, and that's what it's going to amount to. Success for you as you go on into
Yeah,
other things.
well, thank you.
What about after graduation? What's your plans?
I'm going to Morehead State, and I'm gonna be doing space systems engineering, and a couple of us from your class are going into it too. So I think that'll
So
be
you're
fun.
going to actually take some buddies with you. That's really cool.
I bet you can't
It's
guess one of them.
I'll probably get a chance to talk to that other one here in just the next day or so.
Yeah,
But
yeah,
that's awesome. I know Moorhead has a great program down there. My
yeah.
oldest son went through the space science program, so you'll enjoy it. No doubt you're going to do well. And I'm going to be
Yeah.
certainly waiting to hear that you've launched some rockets or built some of those CubeSats down there or whatever that you're going to do. So that's an awesome thing. Any plans about trying to walk on basketball or anything like that?
uh, I I haven't really thought about it. I thought it could be something up in the air, or I'd just stick to the intramural sports that they got up there because they got that big old rec center. But it could be a possibility.
Well, if I can do anything, if I can give you a recommendation, I can sure talk about Mr. Clutch and those last second shots. So I'll do what I can for you there. And I guess I'll just kind of close with this. I'm just glad that you spent some time with me tonight to
Oh yeah,
do
no
this.
problem.
But what will you miss the most out of your high school experience?
Uh, Probably I could say like seeing the people that I only see at school, and that's teachers also. Like I see my teammates every day, every night because of practice and whatnot. But like there's certain people that I only see at school, and so just having that interaction with them and the interaction with the teachers is what I'll miss.
Well, I think everything that you've said, especially for the freshmen coming in, about staying focused basically and developing those
Yeah,
relationships, great. I have certainly done that. And I certainly appreciate the times that you've spent in my class. And
thank you.
gonna miss you, but you know that
I'm gonna miss you too.
anything that you need going forward, you can always give Mr. Molton a call. And by the way, I guess in a couple of weeks or whatever, you can probably just call me Tim, because at that point, you'll be on your way doing bigger and better things. So, and
Yeah,
that'll be okay if you want to do that. So, uh, I'm going to tell everyone that's going to watch this, please go out and retweet this. Post a comment on this
hmm
tweet. Say something positive
yeah.
to Braden, because he's such a good guy. He's going to be a success. And Braden, we can't wait to see what you're going to do in the future.
Well, thank you,
Braden, thanks a lot.
thank you.
And you can count on me in the future, right?
Yes, sir. I know.
Okay. See you, my man.
See you.